Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar, and we have the all new Realme smartwatch with us, and this is the Realme Watch S Pro. Now basically this is the Realme watch but under the S series, and this is according to Realme the Pro variant. And again, I'm quite interested with the all new dial here and the design of this smartwatch. On the side we have the Realme branding on, and the back we have additional information like this comes with a 1.39 inches AMOLED display, which is a larger display as you can see here, and it comes with blood oxygen and heart rate monitoring. Apart from that, it comes with a GPS and path tracking, 15 sports tracker, super long standby battery, and also it comes with water resistance up to 50 meters. And if I talk about the other stuff, as you can see here, it comes with the MRP of 12,999 rupees. So basically Realme is moving towards you can say a little premium products in terms of the watches and the accessories, and this is a product which has been priced a little higher. Of course it comes with a higher feature also, and let's take a quick look of the same. Again, apart from this, I also have some additional straps to showcase them to you. So here we go, let's open up this package and take a look at what we get within this cute little package from Realme. So first thing first, as you can see here, this is what we get. And the moment you open this up, we have this all new watch, though of course this is quite lightweight, as I was expecting it to be a little heavier, but this is quite lightweight in honest first impressions. And this is what you get. Of course it's quite pretty thick, I would say, but then that's how the standard watch comes in terms of this kind of designs. And this comes with a touchscreen display, as you can see here. In order to bind it with the application or your smartphone, you'll have to scan this QR code. So I'll just place this here and first take a look at the package content. So in case if you're planning to buy this one, what else do you get within this box? So here we have the first section here, and within this we have probably the cable, and this is what you get. See, this is a proprietary cable, so a complete different kind of charging adapter on which you'll have to place this watch, and this does obviously charge in a wireless way, and this goes directly to your wall power plug. And apart from that, we also have another section here which I am presuming would have a reading manual, and that's a lot of wasted space here. There's a very little manual here, and this gives you more details on this smartwatch. So that's a complete manual giving you all the details. So let's place this on the side and then quickly show you first all the three straps and also the physical overview of this smartwatch. So first thing first, as you can see here, this is the watch, and it comes with a large display of 1.39 inches, which is an AMOLED display. And on the back we have a few sensors and the charging pins here, and this comes with this rubbery, or you can say plastic strap, and it also has a Realme branding on this strap itself. So everything looks impressive except the strap, but then you don't have to worry, you have different color combinations. So this is probably the same one but a little change in design, but probably with a different size maybe. Apart from that, this one does look very funky, and for those people who would like to have something like leather kind of finish here, so that's going to be working out for them. And apart from that, there's also this navy blue kind of finish, which can also be used for people who prefer that kind of a color. So very interesting color option. Now let me just quickly jump into the Realme Link app, which is what is used to connect their products. And the moment we open this up, we directly see an option to pair it directly. So here we go, let me just pair it, and that was super smooth actually. I mean, the watch was automatically detected by the application and it's already connecting here. So let's wait. And after a few probably seconds, you can see that this has paired, and this is what we get. So this is the standard interface which you get here, and here it says that in order to enable the binding, tap on yes. Let me just do that, and that's connected, and that's a very beautiful lock screen. You can see here the home screen on the watch does look very interesting, and it's actually synchronizing the data from the watch. Of course it's a brand new watch, so I don't expect any kind of steps here unless it has moved in the courier, but this is what we get, and this is the heart rate and everything. So let me just quickly show you the app overview first. So what all we get here, we get the sleep tracking. Again, the watch comes with 14 days of battery with a 420 mAh of battery inside it, and it comes comes with sleep data, it comes with heart rate, SpO2, exercise logs. So basically if you are into exercises, you can select different kind of exercises, and since the watch comes with GPS and everything, it does work perfectly here. And you also have the option of selecting the map here. The goals can be set here in terms of distance, duration, calories, exercise options. I mean, what are you doing? Running, cycling, or you can also switch between walking. So if you are going on a walk, you can just do that. And apart from that, also we have some additional options. Again, let me just ignore this because the watch has already been connected. So this is my watch, and as you can see here, it says 92% battery and 25 days since the last charge. So that definitely clearly tells us that it comes with a lot of battery. And apart from that, let me just show you some of the watch faces, and these are some very brilliant looking watch faces. They do look very refreshing. And let's go with something which I would generally prefer, something which also shows me my run count and health related information. So this one would probably look very funky. Again, this is a 449 KB size one, so it's downloading from the internet. And the best part again about these products is that especially what I liked about the Realme one is that you don't have to buy most of these watch faces. You get many of these directly onto their app itself, and as you can see here, within a few seconds you could just download it and it would get installed on your smartwatch. So here we go, it's already here. Now let me just quickly show you the interface on the smartwatch itself. So this is what we get. This button probably acts as an on off for the screen. Of course, it also comes with the always on screen option, and the bottom button is for selecting the workout. So you would just switch between different workouts here. So outdoor run, you can go for indoor run, walk, indoor. There are many, more than 15 is what is mentioned on the box itself. So you can go on an outdoor run, just started, GPS is connecting, and once it's connected, you don't have to worry about it. You can just go on your run and it would start recording all the related information. So that's one super cool feature which I generally liked about this watch, and it would record all your data. Now let me just also take a quick look on the other options. So swiping up to the bottom, it shows you the messages. From the bottom, you have a hell lot of different options set here. So you can see here we have a bunch of different options. We have the health, we also have breathe training, which I don't need it here. And apart from that, we have the settings area where you can enable or make other changes. Again, under system, we have some additional options like restart and all the stuff, which I don't need to do it right now. But let me just go down. We have the heart rate, and we also have an option to connect to your smartphone's camera and probably control it with this app itself. So that's also very interesting, which is probably one of the big marketing point which many different other smartphone brands generally market it as. And apart from that, there's also breathe training, there's also sleep data information, so that's also available. And apart from that, we have the timer, stopwatch, and we also have the workout record. So these are all the different options which we get here. Swiping from the left to the right, we have the option to enable the power saving mode, which will only record the steps and sleep, which is something I would generally do because that's something we don't which is essentially important. Nothing else is generally needed in a day-to-day basis. This is again your torch light, so which would just enable the screen as a torch, and that's how it works. We have the brightness set as auto brightness. Again, these are the different brightness levels. You have the option of setting up to 5 levels of brightness. So let me just go on to auto and go on. This is a sleep mode probably, and we have additional settings shortcut here. Swiping from the right to the left, we have the exercise rings, the weather, and heart rate, and all the detailed informations available here. So that was a complete overview of this Realme's Watch S Pro, which looks very feature rich smartwatch from Realme, which has been launched in India. The price and the link would be given in the description in case you would like to check out the official pricing and purchase one of these smartwatches. This was a complete unboxing. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed to Phone Radar for more videos like these. I am Amit, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.